I kind of don't know where to start with this. The JZX has been all over the place as far as ideas go, and we haven't been quite sure of where this project's going to end up until recently. We have a pretty sure plan of what's going to be going down with this car, and it's pretty rad. You guys can see here there are some huge fenders sitting on the hood, and these fenders are very similar to the fenders that I put on the R32. I believe they're about half an inch bigger than the ones on the R32, but
company, right?
But they're made by the same company. And if you guys want to know where to get these, I'll put a link in the description to these exact fenders, so you can pick them up if you want. In other exciting news, Samsquanch, if you want to lift up the veil,
yeah.
Cory decided to take the dive. He bought some huge Serb tubes. So we got some big old wheels to work with here, and there's
something to do there.
There's some work to be done. So I'm super excited to do this build because I really like putting metal fenders on cars. I think they're badass. It's the way of the future, man.
So we haven't shown, Jonas will show it when we cut this up, but we've avoided this because this car had really some amazing paint and body work done in Japan. I mean, it's so good, but it cracked out over time. And on the other side, we'll probably show it when it gets cut up. It's really bad. There's probably a bunch of rust underneath it. Well, that's going to be an exciting, scary reveal. But so that's cool that this is no longer going to be a problem with this car. The car's just going to be everything it ought to be. It's going to be amazing.
This thing's going to be sick, yeah. And instead of just trying to paint match the bodywork that we've done on the car and doing a two-tone on the bottom half, we're going to be doing a full paint job on the car, an entire respray, adding a little bit more flake, I think.
Yeah, Cory wants more flake.
Yeah, we're going to be putting a little bit of flake in the paint, and so this thing's going to be super killer when it's all said and done. The kit still needs some work, but it's chilling. I've got some other projects on the side going. Michael's fenders, and yeah, we've got Tanner's bumper outside, but we got some other fiberglass stuff that's going on. And yeah,
we need to do a podcast soon because there's so much stuff to talk about. So many cool things going on. We're super excited and kind of scared to death at the same time.
There's a lot of stuff happening in the near future, and we should really just sit down and talk about it.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys this car's cold start issue because it has one. Like every car from the 90s has some sort of stupid issue, and this one has a cold start issue. So we're gonna let you know what it's like. I don't think anything's gonna happen at all.
If you look under there, this plug right here is clearly broken, and these are the two wires that go to it. This is your temperature sensor. This will, in some cases, cause a cold start issue. Oof.
We should give that a try
We'll give this a rip. We'll see if fixing this guy will fix our cold start issue or not.
I'm excited about this. Although apparently those things always die, the capacitors and the ECU, but we could save that problem for later. Gladly.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so Samsquanch just got the TPS hooked up, and it works. Car works, Cory. Alright, so we got the JZX into the shop. JZX wall. But that's pretty good. We can crouch down in between the wall and the JZX. There's room to get to the toolbox. And there's about the same amount of room on the other side. The only problem is it is pushed up right against the RB20 and the M20. So,
not room to scoot behind it either, really.
Yeah.
You might be able to make it.
When the door's shut, I don't know if I'll be able to even scoot past the back of it. But there's plenty of room to weld fenders onto the back of this car, which is all we're going to be doing in my shop anyway. So the JZX is now in the shop. This is one of the biggest cars we've ever shoved in here for sure.
It just is the biggest, isn't it?
Junior's Audi might be a little bit bigger, but I don't know. This thing's massive.
I'm so stoked that the temp sensor was the problem. I mean, that's a lot better than having to take the ECU apart. Still should happen probably, but yeah, this is a much simpler solution.
It's been a bit, and we got, this is the old plug from the temperature sensor, but we have a new plug now that is
open on the top.
We have a new plug now, and we're gonna go ahead and replace this bad boy and hopefully show you guys that the JZX starts first rip after this.
You got big hands too. At least your fingers
I
aren't
got
fucking
long,
fat.
skinny fingers.
Okay, yeah, let's switch this up here.
I can't see. I can't fucking see anything. Yeah, I'm totally doing this with the right eye. Left eye don't work so good.
Oops. Is it?
Yeah.
Just mashed.
I think so. I can't really fucking see, dude. My vision is so bad at the moment. It's kind of depressing. Huh?
Are you gonna tell that story?
Well, if you can't tell, my eyes are a little wang jangled. At some point last week, I actually don't know when, because I wear safety glasses all the time. At some point last week, I got a piece of metal stuck in my, right above my pupil. And it was in there for, 3 days, and it was horrible.
And 3 appointments of people digging in your eye, which is
I think it was 4.
Is it 4?
I think it was 4 appointments, and I have another one in a week. And until that next appointment, I have to keep my left eye dilated.
It's super, yeah. You can
I put an eye drop in to dilate my eye every single day. And so, and I can't see, I have good vision usually, and I can't see for shit right now. It's pretty lame.
Okay, there's a part of this old guy who appreciates him suffering with the vision a little bit.
Yeah, I hope it comes back, but there's a chance that it might not. And if that happens, I'm gonna be real bummed.
I definitely hope that it comes back 100%.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Shit happens. We'll live with it.
That was
Flash forward into the future. That's right. This video is going up before any of the fender stuff.
Yeah. We might have to cut that
Psych
out.
kids, the fenders are already on the car. You guys just don't get to see that until the next video.
2 videos out.
Ah, shit, that's 2 videos out. You right.
And worth it.
Totally worth it. It's yeah, the JZX series is gonna be sick if you guys will actually watch it. I'm really stoked with the couple of videos we filmed in the last week. Give her a rip, man. The temp sensor fixed the cold start problem. Well, that was cool. Nice.
I was right for my one time this month, so I'm pretty excited.
Well, the JZX's cold start issue is fixed. That's cool.
One thing out of the way.
Alright guys, so in the next video we'll show you guys the nightmare that was taking off all the Bondo on the rear quarters of the JZX. And a couple days after that we'll show you guys getting the metal fenders on. We're way ahead on work as this thing sit right now, and we're super excited to show you guys what's going on here. Yeah, if you stayed this long, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in a couple days. Have a good one, guys.